Hello everyone, 3 power square root of x is equal to 9 power x. What is the value of x? Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. So 3 power square root of x is equal to 9 power x. Next step, 3 power square root of x is equal to, we know that 9 is equal to 9 square bracket power x. We know that a power n bracket power m is equal to a power n times m. Next step, 3 power square root of x is equal to 3 power 2 times x, 2x. On comparing, so square root of x is equal to 2x. Next step, this square root of x power 2 is equal to 2x bracket power 2. We simplify, so x is equal to 4x squared. So 4x squared minus x is equal to 0. X times 4 minus x, 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 4x is equal to 1. This divided by 4 and this divided by 4. We simplify, so x is equal to 1 over 4 or x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 over 4. This solution. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.